Finally got it to run. This old lawnmower's been sitting back there for it's been sitting in the backyard for like 5 years. I took the muffler off. Did not change the spark plug, but I did something or another to it. And I stuck the wrong carburetor on there, but it works. Yeah, there's no way to stop it. You just have to flood it. And you need starter fluid. Then you just wrap around there. Yeah, so I finally got this thing to work, and that's what it sounds like with this old crusty muffler off there. So now that I've got it to run, I guess all I'm gonna do is just replace the head gasket because it's pretty bad, and I might stick a different muffler on there, and I'm gonna stick an alternator underneath it just to I'm gonna put a pulley right there, and I'm gonna attach it to an alternator and basically make a weird generator. Won't do much because I'm not good with wiring, but it'll be something. And I guess I could run the pulley through here. That's not a good sound. Yeah, I could run it through there. And get some, get a little bit of a generator going. Because I mean, it's only 3.5 horsepower. It's not too strong. And I think I'm gonna put a spring somewhere to this. I'm gonna attach a string to here. So I mean a spring, so it's always pulling down. And then I'm gonna have I guess I'll drill a hole somewhere, and I'll hook a cable to it into right here, so I can control the throttle without having to get so close to it. And I should probably put a new string on there, but it's working pretty well, even though I'm pretty sure there's water in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's water. But it's doing pretty well. Other than the fact that this is not the right carburetor or gas can, is the actual carburetor that goes to it. I took it off and the carburetor's still good. The primer bubble ain't got no holes in it or nothing. It just doesn't have any the gas tank just had like a bunch of holes in it, so I had to throw it away and go to the junkyard to get another one, and ended up picking off the wrong gas can and the wrong carburetor, but it still works. Also, it's like I gotta clean it out. So yeah, that's about it.